Hello and welcome everyone. Thank you for stopping by, and today I will be showing you how to decorate a beautiful sprays, which are basically, these are like a floristry sprays, but I actually think they're fantastic for home decor and basically even card making, any kind of project that you like to give dimension to. Basically, so I only have 3 to show you here right now, but we actually have about 10 different designs that you could easily find on our website. And this basically, now these are lovely as they are, obviously, I hope you will agree. However, I will show you today how to actually give them more frosty, more wintry look, and basically for that purpose, what you would need is literally only 3 things. Now, number 1 is the ceramic effect again. So back to my favorite product from Viva, which is ceramic effect, apart from Inca Gold. And secondly is the ice effect, basically paste. Now these 2 ice effects come in 2 different kind of like finishes. They're both white, but one is just white frosty, white, and the other one is hologram white. So today I will be using the hologram one, but they're both really lovely. Now, these ice effects paste, you can actually use it through your stencil, okay, freehand, create dimension, etc. But we will be actually giving the, as I said, frosty look to our sprays. So I've got 3 different ones, and I'm just going to go for this one, let's say, to begin with. Now, I also have a sponge that I like to work with for anything like that, and I'm just going to open my paste. And this part, obviously, always pop it back into your lid. Now, it's lovely. See, nice, thick, rich hologram paste. So the first step that we're going to do, and I'm actually keeping my spray in a spray format as it is. However, you could very easily, separate all these elements and use them however you like. So, ceramic effect first, and you basically dip it in with your sponge, work it off your area, and now we're just going to be stippling my fern. And pretty much anything that you want and as much as you want. So we're just adding this wintry sort of look first. Okay. Remember, the ceramic effect is very strong, so if you wanted to add a little bit white to your berries, okay, just a touch of white, you obviously very quickly can do that. And of course to my pine cone as well. Okay, just a touch. My leaves as well. So there you go. So that looks beautiful, doesn't it? Okay, so we already have the wintry sort of look, and now we're going for the actual ice effect. Now you can actually very quickly use the heat gun to dry a little bit. However, I'm just going to work it off my sponge. So I'm removing my paste out of the jar first, and now literally loading my sponge, and now doing stippling, okay, onto my fern. And again, a little bit you could add to your berries, etc. But what I mainly want to do, it's actually give the frosty, icy look to my leaves. Okay, so this is very quick, right? So I already have that, and also my ice effect is actually sticky, 3-dimensionally sticky. So if you want to add extra touch of sparkle, all you have to do, go back to your crushed ice, okay, and you could see that sparkle here. I hope you can see this looks absolutely beautiful. You can see. So we've got the actual ceramic effect. Oh, we've got a little bit of a paste here, so I will just spread it. If you want to just get to it, you can obviously remove it, but I'm literally just spreading it, and that actually is brilliant because it's just more snow sitting on my fern. So this looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, so how quick was that? Right, so now just to show you where I started from. Okay, so that was the spray that obviously I originally had, and that's what I've created. So, and hopefully you can see how quick and easy this is, right? So, I mean, both look beautiful, but this one definitely looks so Christmassy. So I'm actually now squeezing my bits here together, and to decorate the bottle, I'm actually going to add one of our Christmas accents, basically snowflakes on the wire. So I'm just going to add that as well. And now I'm just going to bring my bottle, which hopefully you've seen me decorating in my last video, right? And we can start decorating. And I created a little curve, basically just to go around my bottles. It's sort of fairly nice and tight, okay, like so, right? But obviously I need to use a little bit of a string, because obviously the actual decoration is not very regular, so we need something else to give us that support. So just a quick tight knot. Okay, we've got that. Right. And in this place, I'm going to use obviously the snowflake. That is beautiful and natural looking. We can actually add a little bit of glue to the back of it, if you prefer. But I am also going to attach it with a string as well. Right, and my Christmas decoration is done. I'm just going to adjust my leaf. There you go. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can see how easy and quick changing the spray can be using these only very few products, which is obviously the ceramic effect, ice effect and crushed ice. Well, thank you for watching, thank you for stopping by, and well, hope to see you next time. Thank you, bye bye.